And now we can cancel the alarm. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I got a very exciting review for you, my friends. This is the X-Sense Home Security Kit. Now this is the big mega pack. You get 2 sensors, 2 window or door chimes. You get the main hub and a remote control. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys everything you get. All right, so you download their app and their app lets you set everything up. They provide you with a manual, instruction card, a security system, stick decal. You get, these are motion sensor chimes. So when someone walks past, you can have it chime, you can have an alarm. Pull that down, pop it open. You can mount it on a wall if you want. You just put the screws in and then you just place this back and align it and push up. Down in here is the batteries, which we will get to that. They do supply them. So you get 2 of those sensors. Oh wow, I'm mistaken. You actually get 4 door and window chimes. So what you would do is, let's pretend that right here is a door. So what you do is you place this on the main part of the door and this on the sliding part. Same for a window. When the door opens and it pulls apart, it's going to chime from your home hub, which this is your home hub. So this is your home hub. Now you connect everything by scanning each individual barcode. You can find the barcodes all over. So you get 4 of these and you can put them on your windows or doors. Up here is your power accessories. In here you have double-sided tape. If you don't want to screw it on a wall or screw it anywhere, you can use double-sided tape. They provide you with the power for your hub, and that has plenty of cable length. The remote's in here, all the batteries needed, and all the screws and brackets needed if you didn't want to use the 3M tape, if you want to screw it in. All right, let's go ahead and install it, show you guys what it looks like. So guys, once you set it up, you can actually set all these different, everything gets set up with the app. So make sure you follow the directions and go from there, but you can control everything. Let's go ahead and show you it. All right guys, so this is the hub. We have it installed now. Now this is where you're gonna get all your sounds from. You can set up the alarm, you can set on all kinds of stuff within your app. You have different modes. You have home, away, disarm. If we put away, it's going to alarm, and we'll show you what that sounds like. So we're now
away mode ready. System armed.
So now the system is armed. So if a motion sensor picks up movement, or a door chime or window chime picks up movement, it will alarm. So we got a charm set up. Now as it picks us up, we'll show you. And now it went off. And now we can cancel the alarm.
Alarm off.
So there you go. You get an alert right away on your phone, and you can turn it off. Then you can also disarm it.
System disarmed.
And then you can go to home. So you can set everything up for home use.
Home mode ready.
And
System armed.
all kinds of different things. So guys, absolutely love this. 100%. If you want a home security system, this is what you need. And let me show you guys. So this is the door right there. We have it. Sorry guys, the lighting's a little bad, but we have it on our door, and this is how it would go. Or you can put it the other way. There you go, now you can see it better. It works great on doors and windows. Overall guys, we absolutely love it. Absolutely. 100% worth it, my friends. 150% worth it.